State Innovation and Transformation Aayog was formed in the line of Niti Aayog after Modi's government came in power in 2014. Earlier, it was known as the Niti Aayog was known as a planning commission, and our state planning and department was there. So, in the line of Niti Aayog, it was formed that State Innovation and Transformation Aayog. The main objective of State Innovation and Transformation Aayog is to innovate some new ideas, new things, which can be percolated to the grounds. Number one. Number two, we have mandate to monitor all these developments like government schemes, central government schemes, and state government schemes. Mainly, we do basically R&D, research and development, which can lead to economic upliftment of the state. As for instance, we have done Samriddhi Poultry, uh, an initiative to grow eggs in a scientific method, brown eggs, and we have adopted two villages. One village is nearby Sonapur, another village nearby Swalbushe. One village is in the line of working, and they got a good result. Like that, recently we have given five institutions for UPSC coaching because Assam has a very less number of UPSC pass students in IS, Indian Foreign Service, or like Allied Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Revenue Service, Indian Railway Service, Indian Statistical Service. This service, we have a less number of students who crack the exam. So we have given five colleges to build up the infrastructure, to give up the career counseling, to coaching, how to crack this exam. One is in Silchar, GC College, another is in Jograt, JB College, another is Cotton University, Dorong College, and BN College in five different parts, which covers almost all colleges, all colleges actually, because JB College is a second college after Cotton College. It is, I think, 1930 and 1901 is Cotton College. So this Dorang College is also old one, GC College is also very old, and BN College also. And we have given them, and we are working on that. Recently, we have given KC Das College and task for career counseling of the students of Kamrup Metro and Kamrup Rural, Kamrup district. Now no rural, Kamrup district. That after higher secondary pass or after graduation of three faculties, science, commerce, and arts, what they should do, which will give the guidance to read or to choose another career. Because our students don't have the proper knowledge after passing what they will do. So if a student know that after passing higher secondary, I will do these things, or I will go polytechnic, or I will go engineering, then the matter would have been very easy for their success. I met a professor a few days back. He said me that I have a strong desire to be a lecturer. So when I studied BSc, I tried all syllabus, all questionnaires of NET. Because he said that I want to be a lecturer, so I must know about NET. So after passing masters, he sat for this NET exam and he cracked. Because he has a strong desire and he knows the goal. So we try to find students' goal, and this Kasidas College with another organization, they will give the students impetus and they will give the proper guidance that after BCom you will do a chartered accountant, you do cost accountancy. Even if you don't go for this, if you go for only for GST, then also you can earn. You can earn a good livelihood because nowadays everybody needs GST. So all professional students are working on that line. So in arts also, so many wings are there, but we must know where to fly. Where to fly, we must know. That's why we are giving like this. Another important thing we have done recently, we have a breast cancer 18.3% in Assam. What is the root cause of breast cancer? Our unawareness or proper treatment is not in proper time. So we want to make a survey of Kamrup districts, undivided Kamrup district, not Barpeta Nalbari, recent Kamrup Metro Kamrup district, with the collaboration Oncology Department of Cancer Institute of GMC, Guwahati Medical College, and Guwahati University. We have financed them to find out the root cause and the remedy of that disease. Another landmark we have done, we have surveyed with Cotton University that what is the impact of flood in the livelihood of rural mass, whether they can convert the after flood into a agriculture based works so that more food grains can be grown, and what they can choose after flood, what they will do, which will help them or overcome the flood hazards. So this will give an impact in rural lives of Assam. We are trying to take on rope all all concerned stakeholders so that we can implement that report. Now we are trying to study hydrology of Brahmaputra because we don't have the hydrology of Brahmaputra. We have a talk with Mr. Aayog, the director of IIT Guwahati, for a survey. It is in a very preliminary stage, but I do hope this will be rectified, and later on, if we are able to survey the hydrology, it will be a historic thing, and this will solve. This will not solve. This will give a ray what to do and what not to do for Brahmaputra, because we know we'll be able to know the causes of flood, causes of siltation, causes of current diversity, all the thing, even the rivers animals, we can know their problems also, because river dolphin is also in danger. The habitat of water habitat, Brahmaputra water habitat, we will be able to know about their problem also. So we are trying. Let's hope that we'll be able to give them to survey the hydrology, but it is in a preliminary stage. We have collaborated with STEC, Assam Science and Technology Department Corporation, and we have adopted a village where we have trained young ladies for beekeeping, and they are doing very well. And beekeeping can change some villages' rural economy, because we have abandoned 40 wild floral habitat. So bee can be a game changer if we do it properly. And we have surveyed a rural market. It is ongoing project. Uh, what is the deficiency of the rural market? What we can improve in the rural market to get the growers, farmers to come in the rural market without middlemen, because nowadays middlemen take major shares of their produce of farmers in fishery also, in agriculture farming also, any produce in related with farming agriculture. So we are trying to solve that problem. Like this, we are doing all innovative ideas so that we can contribute the economy of Assam. We can contribute the economy of masses also. If masses are economically sound, then state will be automatically sound. Business ecosystem, we must have sustainable development. That is 100% sure. Sustainable development is a very important thing. We are already in touch with IIT for solid waste management, and another person is also coming up with a small machine. It is in a very preliminary stage for solid waste management, which can produce fertilizer for rural home garden, rural small garden. That we are looking after this, and we are trying for herbal medicinal plantation by Rongia College. We have given a project, pilot project for Rongia subdivision. Rongia College Botany Department is doing the growing herbal plantation. We have submitted 2 proposals with the Ayush Ministry for herbal plantation, which will give us sustainable development, which will give us economic sustainability to the growers also. We have not gone with that subject yet, because we are trying to confine ourselves with limited resources to innovate some new ideas from local sources, and to percolate this thing to the masses and to preserve a sustainable development. We have given IIT and archaeological one NGO together to survey all these temples, old temples, and to conserve these temples, because we must conserve the hereditary so that Assam can proudly say that we are very old state, old culture, and we have some temples which are built in centuries ago, and we are keeping them. We want to keep them alive. We are now there is a scope, but we have not gone to that. We are doing with the government organizations such as Guwahati University, Tezpur University, IIT Guwahati, Assam Agriculture University. Mainly we are doing with government organizations. Now when fund will be more allocated, then we will call for private organizations. We are not doing anything for on business purpose, because we are limited with the innovative idea with local research scholars, local colleges, local universities like that. We have given Boko College, which is a star college, that they have surveyed for drone club. Because Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that we must train our new generation for drones. But for that, we must have a survey first. So we have surveyed it, how we can go to the schools, to colleges, for clubs, etc., for to forming the drone club. Now we have a proposal which will give the livelihood of the students. That DK College, Rongya, Dakhin Kamrup College, they have a proposal for refrigeration 1 year course, certificate course. We will finance them 1 year certificate course. After refrigeration or AC repairing, if they got this certificate, there are abundant job for this. Such type of things are doing, which will develop business and which will give self-employment. There are always challenges in a new department, I would say. And crisis also there as a challenges. A limited fund has been allotted by the Assam government. We have to do on that limited fund only. And second thing, so many problems are there, so we cannot choose all the problems, but we choose those problems which we discuss in-house, our in-house structure, and we adopt the subject for research or for evaluation. We choose like that. This young generation, we are career counseling is for young generation. This UPSC coaching is for young generation. Drone is for young generation. Then herbal jo plantation, this will inspire young people. This is for young generation. And then breast cancer survey for this. This is for young generation because young women after 40 suffered 18%, which is very alarming. Very alarming. We are training. We give training to the young girls for BTech, beekeeping. That is for enterprising for the young women. We are giving Samriddhi poultry, which is given to the women of a tribal folk in nearby Sonapur village. They are doing very well. We have given, that is a pilot project, so people may come and see how we are doing this thing and they can do. One gentleman from Mongoloi, he said that I will do. So come and see, technical know-how we will give. You have to invest. We cannot finance everybody, but bank will finance after seeing that this is an economic viable project. Then bank will come.